Welcome to day 21 of our 21-day public speaking challenge. It's our last day together for the challenge, of course, but we have more juicy content. I have more juicy content to share, so I'm more than happy to talk you through in today's lesson, in today's class. Well, it's not really a class, it is a moment to celebrate your milestone, celebrate your dedication to the process and your effort over the past 3 weeks, over the past 21 days. So take a moment to pause, take a moment to reflect and honor the journey you have embarked on. Maybe close your eyes, just feel a moment of gratitude. Embrace that beautiful moment of fulfillment, satisfaction, commitment, and breathe it in and out as you feel it fully. All right. So, while you close your eyes and travel back in time, reflect on what you might have learned in these 21 days. Consider how far you have come since then, both in terms of your public speaking skills and personal growth, and try to answer the following questions. If you want to stay with your eyes closed, I give you a couple of minutes after the question so you have time to go inward and find those answers. What new skills or techniques have you learned during our sessions, plural? If you need to pause the video, please do so. If you need more time, I'm just going to go a little bit faster than you might need, so pause at any time. How have you applied what you learned to the real life situations or challenges or yoga classes? What areas do you feel more confident in now compared to when you first started the challenge? What challenges or obstacles have you encountered and how have you worked to overcome them? What goals or aspiration do you have for your continued learning and development? I would love to know all your answers. If you like to shoot it over my way, there is an email address down below the description of this video, which is femarian@gmail.com. So celebrate your achievement. Take a moment to honor the fact that it's not easy to step out of your comfort zone. And public speaking is all about stepping out of your comfort zone and put yourself out there. But you did it. Acknowledge the progress you have made throughout the challenge and celebrate it no matter how small, no matter how they look small to you, they might look big for someone else that hasn't done the challenge. So whether you've made incremental improvements or achieved significant milestone, every step forward is worth acknowledging and celebrating. Reflect on the lesson you've learned, the challenge you overcome, and the growth you have experienced along the way. Recognize your strengths and unique skills that you acquired during the journey, whether you've improved your delivery, gained confidence in your speaking abilities, discover new insights about yourself, or become an effective communicator. By committing to this challenge, I feel like we show up, we had the chance to show up consistently. You have taken meaningful steps toward cultivating confidence in your public speaking skills. Remember that confidence is nurtured over time. So repeat the process anytime you need it. As you reflect on your journey and celebrate your achievement, remember that this is just the beginning. Your voice is a powerful tool, and by continue to nurture and develop it, you have the power to make a meaningful impact in the world, in your yoga class, to your students. Keep shining your light, speaking your truth, and letting your authentic voice shine brightly. Congratulations once again on completing the 21-day public speaking challenge. Remember that this journey is a continuous cycle of improvement. As I said, go back to it anytime you need it. What's coming up next? Ooh. All right, let's keep the momentum going. To continue honing your public speaking skills, you can repeat this process as many times as you need it. It's going to be on YouTube. So we have three formats here. We have the YouTube format, we have the Instagram format, and we also going to have a masterclass format. So that's the exciting news of today. I'm creating a masterclass summarizing the 21-day public speaking challenge with all the most juicy topics. Plus, we will dive into your questions, share insights, and have a great time together. Now, mark your calendar for our upcoming webinar on Saturday, 27th July 2024, of course, at 3 p.m. Sydney time. You'll find the link in the description of this video, and here is a little there is a little something awesome after the webinar. You will receive an exclusive early bird offer for Elevate Your Yoga Teaching with Public Speaking to become a committed, confident, and competent yoga teacher. But also, you will turn your powerful script into a heart to heart conversation. See you on Saturday, the 27th, for our masterclass, which is Saturday. Anyway, stay dramatically different as always, and ciao for now.